Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss how to install a code editor, Visual Studio Code Editor in Windows 10 operating system. Okay, if you want to work any Angular application or React.js application, you need a code editor. Now it is a more popular Microsoft developed this code editor. Now I will help you today how to install the code editor in Windows operating system. Let me open a Google Chrome. Yeah, you can type here Visual Studio. Just whatever you need, just you can type here Visual Studio Code. Just let make it enter. Now, so this is the official website of code.visualstudio.com. Just you can click on here itself, and then here straight away you can download the download for Windows. If you are opening in the Mac or Ubuntu, you will get obviously here kind of a download for the Mac. Depend on your operating system, it will be pick automatically. Now this is a kind of editor. Just straight away you can download this blue button. Now it will take a time. Yeah, it's almost 73 megabytes. 73 megabytes of this particular software is available. Once it is downloaded, this particular software is available in the downloads folder. In the left hand side there is a downloads. Just you can open. Now I'm going to install the Visual Studio. Just click on open, and then here it will take couple of seconds, maybe few seconds it will take to install your Visual Studio. Just click on accept agreements, and here just let me minimize everything here. Okay, and where is that software? Yes, you can click accept that agreement, click on next, and this is the default part, and click on next. Here if you want you can create a menu folder. If not, you can ignore this option, click on next. Here if you see, you have a couple of options are disabled by default. If you want to enable, you can enable. No. Let me enable all the options. So when you enable this icon, basically it will be displaying the desktop to open the Visual Studio. Okay, click on the next and then click on install. Now it will set the path and everything. It will take a couple of seconds only, not more than that, around 30 seconds. So it's very fast. Using this code editor, we can run one application also. If you see here, there is a launch Visual Studio Code. Automatically application will be launched. Now click on finish. Now once this is a finish, automatically software will be seen. The desktop there is a icon is available. Your Visual Studio is installed successfully. Now let me open Visual Studio. Now see, this is the kind of dashboard for the UI. In the left hand side there is a kind of a explorer. Are you able to see here, guys? Now here if you want you can change your the theme, light theme or dark theme or high contrast, whichever you are comfortable, which theme you are comfortable you can use. Right now let me use as a dark theme, and here in Visual Studio everything will work with the folders. Now click on open folder, and here what I can do, in the desktop I am creating one folder. You can make it as any kind of, let me make it as a JavaScript. Just I'm making one kind of a folder here and choose it, select the folder here. Now it will be open the folder automatically. Here if you want to, yes, enable and make it as trust the authors. Are able to see? Now your JavaScript folder is open. Now suppose if you want to run a small kind of JavaScript application, I can say I want to print a hello world. In the previous session, as we discussed in the Node.js, how to print. Now here, with the help of the code editor, I will be run this JavaScript file. Have a look here. Here we have an option called a new file. Here what I can do, you can print as a test.js. The extension will be the JavaScript is a JS. Now you can use as a test.js. See, now here I'm using a console.log. Here you can use welcome to, let me make it as a welcome to Java Express channel. Just I want to print some couple of names, and I want to print console.log, some kind of message, hello world. Just I'm printing some couple of statements. Now just a file and a save. Either you can use the shortcut as Control S. Now how to run this particular JS? Now in the terminal, just click on a new terminal. Are you able to see everyone? In that terminal, there is a new terminal here. By default, it will be open two terminals. Here are able to see. Here left hand side there is a PowerShell is available. If you want to change to a command prompt, yes, you can change. Now let me open the command prompt here. Yes, now it is changed to the command prompt. Now you are in which directory? JavaScript directory. Now just you can use node test.js. Now see, welcome to Java Express channel and hello world is printed. Now this is the way you can use with your Visual Studio. Suppose assume that now you can by mistakenly you close the editor. Once you open the editor, now from the desktop, I want to open your editor, Visual Studio. We have a shortcut here. Open your CMD. If you don't know CMD, just type in the search bar as a command prompt. Here now CD. Now you are in the desktop. I use the desktop here, and then I want to change to the JavaScript. Now this is the folder path where it is available. If you want directly open, now open this folder in the top in the URL, just type CMD here. Now if you want to open this particular folder in the Visual Studio, type code dot, then it will be open automatically in the Visual Studio. Now see guys, now directly it is open. If you want, you can create any number of folders also you can able to create. So this is the installation, how to work with the Visual Studio also guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.